Let's see how you can create a reflection shadow in Canva. This effect adds a sleek professional touch to your images. Firstly, let's open up our design. So this time, let's use whiteboards and then whiteboards. Next, we need to use any photo that we want to add the reflection shadow effect to. So in this case, let's use elements, and I want to add a reflection shadow effect to a picture of dogs. So let's just search for photos. If you have Canva Pro, you can use any of the pictures here. In this case, I want this picture of this dog. Let's just adjust its size. There, that looks good to me. So to add this effect, all we need to do is click on it, and next click on the three dots here and duplicate. Next, we drag the duplicated image directly below the original image. Then we flip it vertical. To add more realism to this, we can change the reflected image's transparency. So in this case, let's go to the upper toolbar and select this option. We can drag this down to about 30% for more realistic reflection. And that's it. That's how you can create a reflection shadow in Canva. See you soon.